Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Jeep Compass in a North trim and powered by a 2.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. Your spare with some room for tools and whatnot. And now looking in the back seat, we have seating for three with a nice leather and sort of mesh material, and two cup holders in the middle there. And this vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 109,766 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your controls to cycle through your information here, if we can get a better view of that. So here you have your compass. You can also go to your fuel economy, distance to empty, your tire pressures, trip timer, oil life, settings for your metric system, system warnings, personal settings. I believe you can also cycle through your trip mileage here for trip A and B. And then you do also have hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel, as you can see. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, CD, and auxiliary, I believe. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Moving down from that, you have your climate controls here, very simple, just on 3 dials. And then down below that, you have your heated front seats with 2 levels, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. Traction control shut off, hazards, and a 12-volt power outlet. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have 2 cup holders, parking brake, and your 4-wheel drive lock with a little cubby there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with 2 tiers, so you can keep some of your stuff separated. Plenty of room in there. You also have a 115-volt power outlet here if you want to plug something into there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.